Hey YouTube, it's Key. Welcome back to my channel. Now today I decided to be like everyone else and try a headband wig. So I went out and got a headband wig from Julia Hair. This is what the box looks like. I decided to kind of like show you guys what it comes in just in case you want to try what I try. I will leave a link down below along with the price, honey, down below so you guys can see, and I'll also put a little caption in of how much it costs. So this is the headband it comes with, and they give quite a few headbands, so that's really nice of them to give like a whole bunch of headbands to their customers. And then they give wig caps. They give beige wig caps. They did not give black wig caps. I have my own black head caps because you know I've been doing my half wigs a lot, so yeah. So I decided to get a Malaysian 24-inch curly headband wig. I've actually already taken it out to look at it earlier. I just kind of wanted to redo it on camera. So this is the Malaysian 24-inch headband wig. And of course, headband wigs comes with a comb in the front, a comb in the back, and the headband that is also the adjustable or secure part of the wig. So this is how it's constructed. Now the hair is really, really soft, you guys. Like, it's so soft. But I'm gonna like freak this headband, so I'm gonna show you guys how to wear it, at least with the headband and without it, because I feel you can wear this without the headband as well. So I am going to try it on first with the headband part on. Now this is what the headband looks like when I put my own headband. I have my own little headbands I like. So I put my own on. So this is what it looks like, but I'm gonna try it without the headband. I feel like you could just wear this wig like a half wig. So we are going to do that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to push this headband wig a little bit further back and bring out some of my natural tresses. So for this part right here, you just bring out as much hair as you would normally bring out for your half wigs, in this case headband wigs. So for me, I bring out most of my bang yang yang, and the other side I bring out like my edges and stuff just to kind of cover the half wig or headband wig that we are wearing. Now for this part right here, you put the comb in first and then tuck the headband underneath after you already apply the comb to the front of your head. You don't just tuck the headband back without tucking the comb in first, because it will not be secure. You have to make sure you put that comb into the front of your hair first and tuck the headband, so it should look like this. So that is pretty much the concept of turning your headband wig into a half wig. I really like Julia Hair's headband wig and how it's constructed, because I've seen a lot of videos of people having a headband half wig and the headband takes the entirety of the construction of the cap. With the Julia Hair one, the headband isn't as large, so you're able to tuck it and wear it as a half wig like I'm wearing it now. I really like that it's not bulky, since it's not a lot of headband. So, you know, you could wear it flat and you could do it the same with a straight hair headband wig if you'd like. I really like curly wigs because of the fact that my hair doesn't straighten that well. So wearing it as a headband wig or a half wig curly looks amazing, especially with this hair texture, the Malaysian 24-inch hair texture that I got. I'll leave the specs down below if you want to see how much this wig costs. And if you want me to repeat myself and say Malaysian 24 inches, I'll leave that down in the bio as well. But let me know if you guys are gonna check out Julia Hair, because the way I got this wig together and made it a half wig, I feel like lots of people should do this. If you're seeing a whole bunch of headband wigs, how about we just, you know, make sure, you know, be creative. Bring out some hair in the front and make it a half wig. I feel like people aren't being creative anymore. Come on, if you're gonna purchase a headband wig, make it a dual thing and make it your half wig as well. Sometimes our edges need a rest, and other times our edges wanna be out. So let me know if you're gonna try this concept. Comment down below if you will try it, or if you're interested in getting a headband wig, because I think this one from Julia Hair is definitely top notch. Like, I will for sure get another one. But make sure you guys check it out. I will leave all the info down the bio, especially like my hair texture and everything like that. And make sure you let me know if you are going to try this concept, if this is something you are interested in, especially if you're like me and you're a half wig girl. So comment that down below, like this video if you like more like it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more half wigs, wigs, or anything like that in regard to your hair. Till then, I'll see you guys in my next video.